Just precis. Hello guys, I'm Corp Explores and today I'm exploring this huge abandoned military factory which is underground and it's massive. I hope you're really gonna enjoy this because this is a truly amazing place. And with me today I got Alvar, which is behind the camera at the moment. And well, let's just get into it. So I'm wearing my helmet today, not because it's very unsafe in this place, but because I've done a lot of, yeah, you can see. I basically taped two pretty strong torches onto GoPro mounts and just stuck them on the top of my helmet. And it's a bit heavy, so I'm not sure how long I'm going to use it, but it lights up really good. And it makes it a lot easier to walk around with. For now I got 3 hands. I can take pictures and film and do everything at the same time. And you can see there's a bit of mold in this place, but not too much I think, and there's a lot of exits and entries, so the airflow here is pretty good. It's a bit cold, but I'm guessing it's about somewhere between 10 and 15 degrees Celsius. This is one of my absolute favorite rooms in this facility. It's getting colder as we walk further into this facility because we're getting further from the air, of course, the open air, which is, it's a bit, it's the start of summer here in, yeah, we are in Sweden, by the way, if I haven't told you already. So it's about 22 degrees outside. So this place is pretty large. It's really dampy in here, but let's try and show you. It's not possible to show you it really. These are large storage holes. And you can hear the echo. Oh, perfect. Now it's. So we wandered out one of the other exits. There's, as I said, there's a lot of exits to this facility, and basically it's a bit colder than we expected. So I'm going to change into my just precis. Hello.
Okay, så nå skal vi bade. Det blir det.
A little bit about the history of this place. During the Second World War, the Swedish really feared an invasion by the Germans through Norway, since Norway was already occupied by the German forces. and they realized that they really needed to up their defenses. So they built this huge underground military factory. So these are large, like basically bathtubs, and they used it to, I think to mix out chemicals. And my helmet is really heavy with combined 21,000 lumens to strap to it. Another one of these huge rooms. Unfortunately, it's so large, it's pretty hard to see like how large it is. You can see the end up there. Oh, this water doesn't look too good. Neither does this. I don't fancy swimming this. I wonder how deep that is. This is one of the few locations, or the only location we didn't check out last time we was there, because we didn't. I don't really remember why, but I got a couple of messages from guys saying I should really check it out. I think it was less trashed when he was here, because now it's pretty trashed. And I think Alvar is planning to scare me, because he just disappeared. Or maybe he just fell in one of those really nice and cozy water pits. I found him. I was right. I think he was planning to scare me.
Did you get scared at all?
No, not that much.
Just a bit, one minute.
Yeah, you're kind of not the guy I want to meet in the dark alley.
Yeah.
So this was huge furnaces. I think it's a bit hungry. I don't think it's had food in a couple of years. No! My Snapchat phone died. Serious? Yeah, I'm serious. I only have one Snapchat phone. How many Snapchat phones do you got? I'm a bit taller than I'm used to with the flashlights mounted to the top of my helmet. Wow. Maybe I'll try to side mount them instead of top mounting them next time. And Alvar,
Yeah.
do you want to join me walking across here? You sure? Oh. But I think it's perfect for you. I think that, yeah, the one plank here will support you. Yeah, of course. And okay. The one plank.
It's very steady.
Yeah, I think it's really steady. Oh shit! How do I get down here? That's why it didn't go up. Okay, you are smart. So I can hold on to this, then hopefully this will. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I think it was easier to just walk around.
Yes, if you look at the stairs there.
Yeah, we had to jump down here anyway.
Oh, I didn't see this one.
You see this one? Yeah, that's why I'm wearing a helmet, you know? To not get killed by this one. And you can see it's perfect. I am pretty smart, I think. Some people have said that to me. There's actually one that said I was too smart. Yeah. There must be something wrong with her. But I think we should walk up there because we have been there, yeah. And while we are in Sweden, we have to remember to buy all the sheep beer and bacon and all the other sheep stuff like soda and tobacco. Whiskey? Biscuits?
Yes.
Biscuits?
Isn't it what it's called?
Yeah, it depends on if you're American or British. They have a lot of disagreement about language, those. Oh shit. Oh. Guys, you can see there's a staircase up there.
How do you get there?
How do you get up there? I really wonder. Because it's been, you see there's... That could actually be an elevator. Yeah, you're completely right. But there had to be another way than an elevator to get up. Must have been a staircase somewhere. It may have been that the staircase was down through that opening actually, to be honest. And it's been removed. But who knows? I found the staircase. I think you could be the first one. You first, and I can join you and follow you up after.
I wonder how many people went up here.
I don't think it's that hard actually, or depends on how good the wood is, but you can like step in here on all these and hold on to the... But that's for somebody that weighs a lot less than us, because I don't...
What is up here?
Oh, it's another... Sorry, I really didn't notice. I was standing just close to the stairs. I think it's... I don't know if they're connected, this and the other one. Would be epic if you were able to, because then you could take some really good pictures. I don't know where that one led to. It could be that there was things standing tall here and it had to go over it. Yeah, I think we should... I think we've seen it all today. Ah, that was me slipping, if you wonder what that noise was. Because I'm standing on top of this and try to take a picture while having my enormous weight of the flashlights on the head. Oh! So now I'm on top of the furnaces. So I just had to follow a small tunnel with this transport band, I think. Conveyor belt, yeah, that's what it's called in English. far into the mountains, and I'm back into the facility again. So we are now outside again in the beautiful Swedish weather, and well, I have to pack up my bag, and also changing from pants into shorts again because it's pretty hot outside and my pants are pretty dirty. And then we have to walk back to the car, and then we have to drive back to Norway, or maybe we find something else. We'll see. But anyways, that's it for today and this episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Loud.